Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Joy here again with yet another video, and today I'm bringing you guys this beautiful Valentine's Day look that I achieved using the ColourPop Ooh La La palette. So I wanted to actually use this for the first time with you guys in this video, and I created this whole eye look and some of my face. I have some of the stuff that's in here as well. Along with that, I also went ahead and purchased, well, it came in it was kind of like a little value pack, I want to call it. So it came with 4 lippies and the palette for $31, which I think is awesome, especially if you guys are trying to get something for Valentine's Day really quick, and you also want to get, you know, something affordable. And also for guys, if there's any guys watching my video, which I doubt it, this is a perfect gift for your girlfriend if she loves makeup. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with the NYX primer, and this is in the nude color. So I'm just spreading this all over my eye, and then I'm going to go ahead and just smoothly blend it in so that I get no creases when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to go ahead and set the primer with the banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and this is just so again it doesn't crease or anything like that, and the eyeshadow just goes on smooth. So on my crease, I'm going to start with the color Poodle, which is a beautiful blush pink, and I think this is just the perfect crease color to start off your eyeshadow for a look like this. Then I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to go into my inner crease with the color Sandbar, which is more of a hot pink. Now we're going to make the eye look a little bit more intense so we can start this halo eye. And I'm just pleasantly surprised on how pigmented this color is. All the colors on this palette, they're so beautiful. And then I'm going to go ahead and deepen the crease with the color Trove, and I'm also gonna go ahead and deepen the corners so I can get started on this halo eye to make it look more smoky. Always remember to blend, so I'm just going back into the crease and I'm just blending everything out so it looks really smooth. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and deepen the crease even more. Well, no, not the crease, the corners. And I'm using the color Caddy, which is more of a purple color. So this is just gonna intensify the eye a little bit more. Then I'm gonna grab my glitter glue from NYX, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime the middle of my eye so that I can lay the shimmer color down. And just a tip, you guys, when you use glitter glue, it actually intensifies the color a lot more and it'll prevent it from moving. So the color that I'm putting on right now is called Opalent, which is so beautiful. It's like a metallic pink with purple reflectors, and I'm absolutely loving this color. It's just so different. I've never had an eyeshadow in this color before, so I thought it was pretty dope. And then I'm just gonna keep packing that on, and I'm not precisely putting it in the middle because I'm gonna put a lighter color there, and the color that I'm actually gonna put there is gonna be Big Sugar, which is more of a metallic regular pink. And this is just really beautiful. The transition into that color in the middle is just gonna make it smoothly look lighter instead of you being able to see like where the color starts. And then I'm gonna go in the exact middle and I'm gonna put Tickled, which is more like a white color with purple and pink reflectors. And this color is just so bomb. You could even use this as a highlighter if you wanted to. So now I'm just going to go back into the corners and I'm just going to keep deepening them just to make it look more intense. And I'm going back in with that purple color, which was Caddy. Now I'm just going to put my liquid liner on, and I'm just using a regular black liquid liner from e.l.f. just look a little bit more intense, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner, and this is in the color MMP Now, which is like a pretty pink. And this is just really gonna bring the eye look all together and make it look a little bit more intense. To set my foundation, I'm going to use my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder, and I'm using it in the color Chestnut, and I'm also blending it into my neck as well because my neck is a little bit lighter than my face. I absolutely love this powder. It just gives me a very smooth finish without it looking too powdery. Then I'm going to go in with my Amazing Cosmetics concealer, and I'm using the color Caramel. This concealer is very good, but it's very thick, so make sure that you are blending it well. I prefer to use a brush when blending it because I feel like it sits the concealer a lot better, and also with stippling it's perfect instead of a beauty blender because I find that I get no creasing at all, although I am of course going to set under my eye. And I use different brushes as well because depending on the parts of my face, like my under eye and my nose, you know, I prefer to use a smaller brush to blend everything out. So to set my concealer, I'm just going to use my banana powder from Makeup Revolution. And instead of baking, I'm just tapping it with my brush because I'm just really not into baking. I don't really trust a lot of setting powders, but this one's good at least to set under my eyes and the parts where I highlighted on my face, so I really don't mind it. And to contour my face, I'm just using a foundation powder from Black Radiance, and this is the color Cafe. Dope thing about this palette is that you can also use this on your face. So I decided to use the color Poodle, which was the same color I put on my crease as my blush color, and I thought it was just so cute. It's such a pretty pink. And as my highlight, I used the color Moonstruck, which was more of a golden or a champagne color, and it reminds me of Champagne Pop from Becca. It's so pretty. Like, my highlight was so popping. I was loving it. I thought it was just so pretty. So I think that's pretty dope that you can do that. And I'm also putting that in my inner corners of my eyes to make the look just pop even more because I just love to be extra.